Hello students. Today we will discuss about booleans. Booleans represent two values, true or false. So take an example. If I write a equal to 50, I want to check print boolean of x, boolean of a. So what am I getting output? True. That means boolean of every variable we will get output as true. You can write like this. If a equal to, I will write Satya, then I will try to print bool, then I will get also true. Okay, so where I will get false, most values are true. That means any list, any tuple, any dictionary will true, any number will true except zero, any string will zero except empty string. Any number is true except zero. That means if I will declare x equal to zero, and I will type print bool x, then it will come as false. That means if the number is 0, then boolean value will come as false. Otherwise, for any number, any variable, if you type if you type print statement to get the boolean value, it will come true. But true or false. Suppose I will write a equal to 50, b equal to 90, print a greater than b, then it will come false as a is not greater than b. A is 50, b is 90. So A is not greater than B, so it is coming as false. Then functions also can return a boolean value. Whenever I will discuss about function, at that time I will discuss in detail. But here you can check. Here it is written a function whose name is my function, and the body of function is it will return only true. When I'm calling this function, the output I'm getting is true. Okay, we'll discuss about function in detail in the later class. Then come to Python operators. Python operators means there will be seven types of operator. We will go through one by one. First arithmetic operator, then assignment operators, then comparison operators, then logical operators, then identity operators, membership operators, and bitwise operators. So first we'll discuss about arithmetic operators. We know addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So I will discuss about modular division. What is it? Modular division. Suppose I am declaring x equal to 10, x equal to 10, and y equal to 3. I'm trying to print x modulo division y, then the output will be 1. What does it mean? It means modulo division gives us the remainder. 3 3 is a 9 and the remainder is 1. So that means it's a new operator you have to remember in Python, modulo operator. It is not only in Python, C, C++, Java, everywhere you will find this operator named as modulus operator. Then exponential, then floor division. So let's see what happens in exponential. If I type x x double x, then I am it's coming as 1000. That means 10 to the power 3. X will be base, y will be power 10q. It is calculating. And what will be floor division? Floor division means just I am giving, then it is coming as 3. Floor division means it will give the integer part. 3 3 is a 9. Again it is not divisible, so there will be some answer will be in some decimal, but in floor division it gives us the answer as the integer part of the answer. Okay, if I will normal divide, the answer is coming at 3.3333, but in floor division The answer is coming as only 3. The integer part of the answer is the output. Now we'll discuss about assignment operator. Assignment operator means if I'm assigning x equal to 5, this is assignment operator. Plus equal to meaning is what? X plus equal to, it signifies x equal to x plus 3. So x equal to 5, if I write print x plus equal to, so suppose I write y equal to, you can take from here, x equal to 3. Okay, so if I will write x plus equal to, that means x equal to x plus 3. So here x equal to 5, I will write x x plus equal to 5. Okay, so x modulo division by 3, that means every plus equal to minus equal to asterisk equal to, that means if I am writing this, what does it mean? X plus equal to 3 means, x plus equal to 3 means x equal to x plus 3, x equal to x plus 3. That means if I will write this here, if I write x equal to 3, then I will write equal to, then it will give z plus equal to x. Z is not defined, so let's do in this way. X equal to 3, x plus equal to, meaning is x is equal to x plus 3. Similarly, x floor division equal to x equal to x floor division. This is exponential, this is and, this is or, this is not, this is left shift, this is right shift. Then coming to Python comparison operator. Comparison operator is what? This is the sign of not equal to. This is the greater than, this is the less than. We actually know these signs. So there is not, more to discuss here, because we know greater than sign, we know less than sign. You just need to compare whether this value is greater than or not. If it is not, then it will be false. The output, as I was discussing, suppose x equal to 5, 6, y equal to 7. If I'll write print x greater than y, so what will be the output? Output will be false, as x is not greater than equal to y. Similarly, I will write x equal to 10, y equal to 10. I will write print x equal to y. In this case, it will come as false. Okay, so it is coming as false. So now We'll discuss about logical operators. Logical operators means and, or, not. And suppose for and, how to do this and operator? It is written x greater than 5 and x is equal greater than 10. So now what happens? As we know, if this is for and gate, for and, if both are true, then output will be true. If one is false, then output will be false. For or, one is true, then output will be true. And for not, it will be reverse the result. Means false will be true, true will be false. Then identity operators. Identity operators is basically, identity operators are used to compare the object. Not if they are equal, but if they are actually the same object with the same memory location. That means here we need to compare x and y. Are they equal in which perspective? They are with, no, actually they are same object with same memory location. Then they will be identical. If it is not, then x is not y. It is all about identity operator. Then membership operator. Membership operators uh, are used to test if a sequence is present in an object or not. When I will discuss about class and object, at the time we will discuss whether this function belongs to this class or not. That means this function is member of this class or not. Then you will use these membership operators in going forward classes. Now, bitwise operator. What do we mean by bitwise operator? As we know that every decimal number can be converted to binary number. So if I will do bitwise and bitwise or, then let me do it for you. X is equal to 10 and y equal to 2. So what is happening? X and y is happening true. Similarly, basically you have to remember bitwise operators are used to compare binary numbers. That means first we have to convert the given number into binary number, then every bits of the binary number will be compared. And or, jar, exclusive or is known as jar. Not inverts all the bits. Zero, that means if I'll write a binary number 10 10 0 1 0 0 and another binary number 11 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 That means if I would need to do and with bitwise operator, means it is a single bit. This zero, this one, this zero, this zero, this zero. That means bitwise and means 0 and 0. I know it will be 0. 1 and 0 and 0. 0 and 0 0. So only this will be 1 because we know 1 and 1 is 1. So what does it do? It converts the number into binary number and then compare each bit. Okay, so likewise left shift, right shift. That means the bit will be shifted by left, the bits will be shifted by right with two positions. So we can also do the programming to check this. You just declare a number, a decimal number, and then apply any bitwise operator, check whether it is performing the operation according to the every bits of the binary number. You have to check it. You have to check the outputs. What the outputs you are getting. Then finally we'll discuss about operator precedence. As we know in mathematics also, operators do have a precedence like Bodmas rule. Here also same thing, but these are the precedence. That means first we have to do the parenthesis, then exponential, then urinary plus, urinary minus, bitwise not, then multiplication, division, multiplication, floor division and modulus, then addition, then bitwise left, bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise or. logical not and or. So as mathematics we only know Bodmas rule, but here we have to remember these 1 to 13 serially. That means these are the operators priority. That means you have to do accordingly first, second, third. You can tell these as ranks also. Means these are the ranks given to the operators. Who is getting top rank parenthesis, that means this is having topmost priority. Okay, this is the order you have to remember. So this is all about Boolean and operators in Python. I hope you got everything, and I should request that you practice programming. And programming, how can you practice programming? Let me see. Open in Chrome Jupyter Lite. No need to install any application. It is a online note Jupyter notebook. You just open in Chrome, then Jupyter Lite will get open for you. Just wait. Yeah, it's getting. Then click here Python. Then it is cell. You can see I'm doing the program in the cells. Okay, I'm also doing in the Jupyter, but it is the another platform, same Jupyter Lab. So you also can open in Google Chrome Jupyter Lab. Then these are the cells where you have to write the codes. If you will click here, then another new cell will come. If you will click here, then new cells will come. So these are the cell where I am supposed to write the program. Let's write a simple program for you. Print. Okay, I simply wrote print Satya. So when I executed, it is printing my name. So I hope you will go to Chrome and you will open Jupyter Lite and you will start programming whatever we have studied till now. Data types, variables, strings, and today I discuss about booleans and operators. So thank you for watching.